Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Dream Chasing Hair. Today we will be doing another tutorial on how to do a flexi rod set. Already washed and conditioned, treated my hair last night with my products, and I sectioned it off in like 5 braids here. It's still a little damp, but I like to stretch my hair out before I do any type of flexi rod set because I don't like all of that shrinkage, and I don't like to sit underneath the dryer for 5 years. So that's why I did it this way. Side note, I love Starbucks banana nut bread warmed, y'all. That shit is so good. Y'all gotta try it. And I wash my hands before and after this, so don't try to play me. I love y'all though. I'm starting off with my mousse that I purchased from Sally's. You can use any mousse that goes well with your hair. I normally use the Lotta Body, but I wanted to give this a try, and I was happy with the results. So I would definitely recommend using this. Starting in the back with the purple rods because I wanted to have a looser look. I don't want to look like I'm going to church on Easter Sunday. So yes. I'm going to up close it so you can see what I'm doing here. It's not like you're just wrapping it around the rod. It's kind of like you're doing it like you're doing wand curls, but just on the flexi set. I really like that definition versus us doing like a Shirley Temple look. I don't want it to look like that, so that's why I took my time and did it that way. When you're starting in the front, you want to make sure that you're placing the flexi rod away from your face. If you want that look, I always do my rods or roller sets going back off of my face and not doing it the other way. Okay, after you finish rolling it, you can let it dry for about an hour underneath the dryer, or just let it air dry. Totally up to you. I'm just going to apply a serum to take out my Flexi set. And once they're all out, you can apply like an oil or another serum and pull them apart. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share any feedback. Peace.